Hi guys, have you experienced after uploading your videos on YouTube, you see high CTR and yet low view? In fact, I experienced this. This video here gave me a very high CTR, yet I didn't see views. Now, I used to think that when a video have high CTR, that means that video would definitely go viral, but that is not true. What is CTR? For those who don't know it, CTR is click-through rate. The ability for your titles and thumbnail to attract people to click on your video. That means after your titles, designing your thumbnails and upload it, you still need something that will keep people to watch your video from beginning to the end. So don't celebrate CTR only, because CTR only cannot grow your video. In fact, what YouTube look at is your retention. If people watch the video, the watch time, if people stay long on the video, the satisfaction, which is the number one thing that YouTube always look at for. YouTube don't just want people to come to YouTube and watch videos and go. YouTube want them to stay on their platform. So if people click on your video and leave quickly, YouTube pause the recommendation of that video. The main reasons your videos are stuck, even with high CTR, the first one is weak hook. If your first 5 to 10 seconds were not able to grab people's attention, people will click off your video. So you need to make sure that the first 5 to 10 seconds of your video were able to drag people's attention to stay and watch your video. The number 2 is slow intro. Starting your video with greeting instead of hitting straight to the point. Telling people why they come. Like, for example, you can say, if your videos are not getting views, watch this video. With this, whoever that have that issue stays and watch your video. No curiosity. If your video does not have curiosity, something that trigger people to stay and watch from beginning to the end, I tell you, they will stop. You need something that can keep people to watch your videos from beginning to the end. Lastly, too much talking. You know, sometimes when you are teaching, you may end up talking some things that may not align with the main video. Explaining too much can also cause boring on your video. So even if you have done it when you are doing your teaching, you need to edit all those parts off. You cut off every boring part on your video. Too much explanation can also harm your video. No curiosity driven. You need something that can keep people to watch your video, like something like images, explanation, like practicals in your video to keep people watching. Your actions and reactions while talking. I'd not say you should express too much, but the moving of your body, your facial expression, and your body movement can also keep people to watch your videos. So the moment people click on your video and click off the video, YouTube stop pushing that video. How do we fix this? The first one is the first 10 to 5 seconds of your video must be very, very attractive to keep people to watch your video. As I said before, curiosity driven. It needs to be so attractive. Your expression in your video must be something that can keep people to watch. Sometimes you watch somebody's video, you end up watching it again and again, because there is something about that video that you yourself you cannot explain. So that is it. And the second thing you can do to fix this, open loop. Open loop is keeping them curious. You know, when you are teaching, you need to, like, from the start, like I said, if your let me say, for example, if your videos are not getting views, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix low views. So this one is like a curiosity. Somebody will be curious to know how to get solution to this issue. So you need to make people feel curious about your video. The titles, the theme of the video, the thumbnails, all these things make people to feel curious about your video. Another one, the number 3, is the passing. The passing is your point, the point you bring out. You make sure you remove every unnecessary talking on your video. Make sure the video is like every part is connected to each other. That is smart. When somebody is watching it, I don't know if you have watched all these American movies or Indian movies, you just keep watching. Both the editing and everything about the video is just smart. So this is another thing that can keep people to watch your video from beginning to the end. The third one is keep promise. Whatever you said on your thumbnails, your title must reflect on your video. And if you try to deceive people to click on your video mistakenly, I bet you they will not come back. And that video, they will not watch it. They will end up leaving your video. It's like when I tell you that at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to get more views. Then at the middle of the video, I start beating around the bush. At the end, the person will click off the video and that person will not come back to your channel. I bet you that. So you need to make sure that whatever you promise on your titles must be inside the video. Whatever you said in your hook, you must fulfill the promise at the end of the video. Because if you end up telling them at the beginning to keep them watching and at the end you end up not fulfilling your promise, the person goes and never come back. Sometimes when you see high CTR on your video, it's just that YouTube is showing your video to a small number of people. And if these people click the video and leave immediately, YouTube pause the recommendation of that video. Don't be too quick to celebrate high CTR. Check what happens next, and that is where the growth comes in. What happens after they click? How people click on your video, how people watch your video, that is what determines whether that video will go viral or not. Not only the titles and the thumbnail that really matters. That is what I found out, and I know with this you'll be able to create a content that can help you to capture people's attention to watch your video from beginning to the end. And remember, high watch time equals to 4,000 watch hour if you are looking for 4,000 watch hour, and also high watch time equals to more money. So you really need to get people to watch your video from beginning to the end so that you'll be able to make it. So if you find value on this video, don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share this video to get to other people. See you when next I come. Bye bye.